How does theory meet reality? At school, we learn a lot of things that might be useful in our lives. For future decision making, we can certainly try to apply what we learn in class in real life. However, how does theory meet reality? What is the same and what differs? In this presentation, I will talk about job description from Chapter 3, employee engagement from Chapter 3 through handmade products, ethics, activist behaviors, and green behaviors. Then I will talk about two current business issues such as environment and developing human capital and talent management, both from Chapter 1. To do so, I will link theory with reality with the company Lush. This is a really interesting business that sells handmade soap, hair products, and stuff such as that. Owned and operated by the same family since its opening, it is a company that puts a lot of effort to help the world. To start, I will talk about job description. If someone wants to work for this company, he or she can whether go online or go directly in a shop if the job wanted is to work in a Lush shop. When you go online, you can find all available jobs. For every job, you have basically what is required in a job description. First, you have the job title, which is for this example, floor leader. Then, you have a small summary of what is the company, which is not something required, but that can actually attract applicants. After, you get to see what are the responsibilities related to this job. This is followed by the qualification needed for this job, which could be seen as the job specifications from our textbook. At the end, you have the different ways you can apply for this job. The job description, although it seems good, misses performance standards and a summary of the job. However, this can be found at other places in the website. Also, if you have questions about the job, you can always ask them via the website, which is pretty useful. Then, Lush has a lot of ways to increase employee engagement. First of all, they make everything by hand, which means employees have to put efforts in what they are doing, and at the end, on every product an employee made, his or her name is written on it. This way, the customers know who did the product, and it is a form of recognition for the employee. This makes the person feeling important and valued, which certainly increases his or her willingness to involve time and effort in what he or she is doing in the business. Second, the fact that the company fights against animal testing is for some employees the reason why they want to work for Lush. Their employers meet their values and they love it. By working for this business, they know that they can make a change, and this certainly increases the employee engagement for this company. Each and every employee wants to give the better of them for it. Third, Lush is not only a company that sells soap. They actually are a business that actively involves itself in things that interest its employees. For example, in 2011, they did a Freedom Mary campaign based on a survey made through employees to defend issues that were important to them. By making what is important to its employees important to Lush, the business encourages employees to involve themselves even more. Fourth, Lush is getting greener every day. This company actually welcomes and encourages all employees who are passionate about the environment to contribute their ideas and talent to its green team, to constantly help them improve their green practices across the business. This is directly related to one current business issue we talked about in Chapter 1 of our textbook, environment. Lush has 6 areas where it is trying to get greener. The first one is in its packaging. We Love It Naked means they use as little packaging for the products in their shop as possible. Then, for the waste, less is more means they are reducing their carbon footprint by not using packaging and by using the more recycled materials possible. Then, it is the sustainable sourcing. We take great care when sourcing our raw materials, means they buy stuff to suppliers that respect the environment as well as the animals and people living there. Then, it is about transportation. Good planets are hard to come by, means that they try to do their products with local materials and local employees for local markets. Furthermore, they are getting greener with their energy consumption. Our energy means that the use of energy in manufacturing is matched with renewable energy from wind and low-impact hydro. Finally, about water, 326 million cubic miles is all we've got, means that they will think about every possible way to avoid using too much water. Furthermore, Lush is also facing another business issue, developing human capital and talent management. Lush is doing a lot of things to encourage its employees to give ideas and to develop skills, abilities, and knowledge. They ask them to think big for a greater business. Employees have a lot of developmental opportunities. The company strongly encourages them to follow the path of their manager. As they said, we believe that growth comes from learning and sharing best practices, building bridges instead of climbing ladders to make your business successful. Employees are also focused on customers. They will not create something they will not buy themselves. In conclusion, Lush is a business we should take example of as it reaches a lot of human resources management practices. Their job description is pretty clear and applicants know what they are applying for. The company is using a lot of things to involve their employees because they actually think it is something good for the business, but also for the employee himself. They also deal with two current business issues such as environment and developing human capital and talent management. And they are actually doing well. It is great to see that nowadays it's not only about money, but also about people, environment, and animals. I could tell you everything they do for the environment, for animals, and for charity, but that would take too long. That's why I strongly recommend you to go on their website and learn more about this wonderful company.